Alright, what is going on, guys? GoPJ here, back at the end of the video, and today is going to be the weekly test as of May 27th. So today's weekly test is requested by Gunner Scale 777. So big shout out to them for requesting a weekly test. So let's go ahead and go over the setup. WR120. Radio Shack 12521.
Light and variable winds.
Midland 74200.
Friday and Friday night.
Scanners right here. EAR10, which still has the watch from 4 days ago. So, yeah. Right here I have the 12250, 12247, the WR100, which does not work, and hasn't worked for the past 5 days, maybe even week. I don't know.
Atlanta.
Oh, some backlight on.
Here is the hazard.
Alright, there we have the R1650. And over here, hold on. So now not right here, but right here we have the HH54 VP2. Now you guys may be wondering, I also have this recom here, which is actually going to be on for the weekly test because it was actually muted last week. So you guys may recognize this setup from the watch. I meant to do Lunar Reviews' setup, but I wasn't thinking, and I just sort of switched everything around right after last week's test. So that resulted in me getting warnings with the setup. Right after this weekly test, I'm going to revert to Lunar Reviews' setup. And I will join you guys back when the weekly test goes off.
Athens. It was cloudy, 70 degrees, wind northeast at 9 miles an hour.
Oh, it's going off.
The proceeding was a
the heck?
the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System from Atlanta.
If I left this on...
KEC80. This test is conducted at
What?
approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning.
I never even set it to that.
Emergency weather situation.
I never...
The warning would have been followed by
Fine.
an actual watch or warning.
Fine.
Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location.
Tell you what.
This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter,
The heck?
will occur even if you are using a already received
What the heck?
working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected
Watches within a
40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following: Cherokee, Georgia counties: Marto, Catoosa, Cherokee, Fanning, Gilmer, Gordon, Murray, Pickens, Walker, and Whitfield. The Somerville listening area, WXK52, includes the following Georgia and Alabama counties: Bartow, Chattooga, Floyd, Gordon, Polk, and Walker in Georgia. And in Alabama, Cherokee. This concludes the weekly test of the system. We now have normal weather broadcasting. Here is the hazardous weather outlook.
Alright. Whatever. Wait, what? I know y'all just heard relative humidity. Something. Alrighty, guys. So, there was the weekly test for this week. So, yeah. Actually, I will show you guys what's going on here. And some of the other radios in my house, actually, that are protecting each floor of my house. We have one on each floor that I put. So, I will show you guys that now. Before I do that, I might as well show you guys this.
The temperature was 70 degrees.
Still waiting for the GSP weekly test. I don't think they're going to do it because apparently there's severe weather in that area today. So, yeah. This recom here in the hall got it. This guy got it. This one's on.
Severe weather to the National Weather Service while following all local, state, and CDC guidelines.
This one's on channel 6. And the 74-200 in the basement.
Reported 67 degrees. Wind variable at 6 miles an hour.
This guy goes off for everything and is programmed for Gwinnett and Banks. And this guy is programmed for just Gwinnett and will only go off for tornado warnings and unrecognized messages. And obviously all these in here are all counties and all alerts because, yes. Yes, there you guys go. And I will see you guys later.